Okay guys, so we are doing the rundown of the introduction and the verse for Layla today. This was for my pupil Ariana, who's a fantastic guitar player. So this is part two, which is the introduction, which is obviously the chorus line and also the verse of Layla. Next week, I'll upload the guitar solo for the acoustic unplugged version. Because obviously there's two, which is one in the introduction and then one main solo in the middle. So I'll be working on those this week, and it'll be uploaded next Sunday. All right. In the meantime, here you go. Here's Layla. Good luck. Bye. See you next week. The song Layla. So we're going to slow it right down for the intro and obviously that kind of verse. The intro is obviously the chorus as well, but we're going to slow it right down so we can get the parts. So the first part we're going to is open on the A string, and then we're going to go to the 3rd fret of the A string. Then we're going to go to a D minor. So you put your finger here on the 1st fret on the E string, on the G string on the 2nd fret, and on the B string on the 3rd fret. Okay, so it goes. Okay, and we're gonna go. So we're gonna go back to that A string on the 3rd fret. So we're going. B. So if you want to do that with your free fingers there, you go. So you're doing this finger on the 1st fret of the A string, then you're putting your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the D string and on the 3rd fret of the G string. Okay, so you're just moving that up 2 frets. Okay, so we're going to play that kind of intro part 6 times, and on the 6th time we're going to change it a bit. We're going to go and then we're going to take our finger onto the 5th fret of the E string, to the 3rd fret of the A string and the 4th fret of the A string. Okay, so our introduction is going to be as follows. We're going to play it 6 times. On the 6th, we're going to stop on the C, and then we're going to go for the A, the 3rd fret of the A string, and the 4th fret of the A string. Okay, now we're going to get into the verse bit here. Okay, so we're going to bar the 4th fret. We're going to put our 2nd finger on the 2nd string on the B string on the 5th fret, and we're going to put our 3rd finger on the D string on the 6th fret, and you're going to play like this. Okay. So we're going to go from that side into the following chord. We're just going to move these 2 fingers up one, so onto the G string, 5th fret, and onto the A string on the 5th fret. Okay, so when we go from that, so let's just practice that. And again. Okay, and again. Okay, so we're going to play that. And then we're going to go back to that where you're putting your 2nd finger on the 5th fret of the B string and your 3rd finger on the 6th fret of the D string. So you're going to go. And then you're going to go to the C, which is your 1st finger on the D, on the B, 1st fret, on the D on the 2nd fret, on the C on the 3rd fret, on the A string, the 3rd fret of the A string. Then you're going to go to the D, to the E. So we'll take that run again. Okay, and that's on the E. So we're going to go from here. Okay, play it again. Okay, let's put the next bit. The next rundown is here on the. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret. You're going to put your 3rd finger and your pinky on the A and the D string on the 4th frets. Okay, then you're going to bar down here. So you're going from here to the E, A. So your A is the 2nd fret of the D string, the 2nd fret of the G string, and the 2nd fret of the B string. So you're going from here E, A, D. Then you're going back here. And then you go back to the beginning. So if we play that through on a, we're going to do one verse and one chorus for now, because next week we're going to add in the full song. We're going to play the full song. We're going to put it on the loop pedal so we can add in the extra little lead bits for the introduction and the solo for the main solo. So here we play that 6 times, don't forget. 4, 5, 6, change, take 25. Okay, hope you enjoyed that little lesson, folks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. There's new videos going up here all the time, not just on the music, like the lessons, but there's also loads of music going up on a daily, weekly basis. So we'll catch you all soon. Bye!